In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in FirstCry. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the coupon box, how to apply your code correctly, and how to make sure the discount is actually reflected before you pay. Start by opening FirstCry on your phone or in a web browser. If you're not logged in yet, sign in to your account. Logging in first helps avoid issues where a coupon won't apply until your account details and address are recognized. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the checkout page and discounts load properly. Next, browse and select the products you want. Choose the right size, color, and quantity, then tap Add to Cart. If a coupon mentions exclusions, keep that in mind as you pick items. Some offers are limited to certain categories, brands, or a minimum order value, so building your cart with that in mind can save time later. When you're ready, go to your cart by tapping the cart or bag icon. Review your items and prices, then tap Proceed to Checkout. It's a good moment to confirm quantities and remove anything you don't need, since your final discount is based on what's in the cart right now. On the checkout page, fill in or confirm your delivery address. Double-check the PIN code, house number, and contact details to avoid delivery delays. Then choose your payment method. Keep in mind, some coupons may not work with certain payment options, so if you see an eligibility note, select a method that meets the offer's terms. Now find the coupon field. Look for a section labeled Apply Coupon Code or Promo Code. It's usually on the checkout page or within the order summary. You may need to tap a small link or expand a drop-down to reveal it. Enter your coupon code exactly as given. Type or paste it carefully, avoiding extra spaces, then click Apply. Wait a second for the page to refresh and show any discount or confirmation message. Check that the total has gone down. If the discount didn't apply, verify common issues. The code might be expired, your order may not meet the minimum amount, or some products could be ineligible. Also check for case sensitivity, usage limits per account, and whether another promotion is blocking the code. Adjusting quantities or removing excluded items often resolves the problem. Once the discount is visible, continue with payment and place your order. Review the final amount on the confirmation screen to ensure the coupon is successfully applied. That's it. Enjoy your savings and your FirstCry order.